magumu, lakini never give up. Teseka nimeteseka, aso nimeaso, wala leo umenifungulia, wala mimi sitolia. Teseka nimeteseka. In the figure below, triangle A prime 1, B prime 1, C prime 1 is the image of triangle BABC under enlargement center O. If OC is equal to 2 centimeter and CC prime equal to 4 centimeters, find the scale factor of enlargement. Show by drawing the center of enlargement. So to get the center of enlargement, you join C, the object, this one is the object, and this is the image. Therefore, you join C and C prime, where they are going to meet at the center O. That one will give us the center of enlargement. So first, take your ruler and then join C prime and C. Yes, do the same, join A prime and A. Join these two lines. Right, you can as well join B prime and B. You can as well join them. So you realize all of these lines go to this point here. So this is the point and this is the center of enlargement, or where all the lines that joins the image and the object, where they meet, that one gives us the center of enlargement. It gives us the center of enlargement. So whenever you are asked to find the center of enlargement, join the one point of the image of the object and the other point of the image. 2 points, another point. Where the two lines meet, that's where we have the center of enlargement. So we have been given that OC is 2 centimeters, that CC prime is 4 centimeters. Then we have been asked to find the linear or large linear scale factor of enlargement. It's asking the scale factor of enlargement, the scale factor of enlargement. Now, after getting the center of enlargement, now let us find the scale factor of enlargement. The scale factor, we measure the distance now from the center to the image. So that one, OC prime, the distance from O to this one, if you divide by that with the distance O to C, center to C, this one will give us the scale factor. So OC equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. OC is 2, and this one is equal to 3. Therefore, the scale factor is equal to 3. The scale factor is equal to 3. Now, when the object is in front of or when the image is in front of the center of enlargement, you see this is our center of enlargement and this is the image. The scale factor is always positive. The scale factor is always positive. But when The image of this object is on this side. If we draw this one, we extend these lines this way, the image and the object is going to be, the scale factor is going to be negative. Therefore, if the image is in the opposite side of the center, then the scale factor is negative. So let us extend this line here to this side. That is A prime. So if I take this point here to be A prime 2, and then B, I will put B here, B, B, B to be somewhere here. If now I join these points, this is the image of this object which is beyond, or which is on the opposite side of the center. One thing you should realize is that the image is inverted. It is upside down. That's the first thing. Therefore, the scale factor is going to be negative. Draw the image of the triangle ABC below under an enlargement scale factor 2 and the center X. So this is the center. We want now to draw the image of this triangle. So the first thing you do, you measure the distance from C to the center. You measure the distance here, like this. That is the distance. And then now, first you can just draw a dotted line from C to the center. C to the center. Draw a dotted line, a long one. Draw a dotted line like that. So then measure this distance from C. So for us to go to C prime, we measure 2 times because the scale is 2. So from the center 2 times, that's 1, 2. The same distance, remember, the distance from C to the center should be, from C to the image should be twice. So here we will have our C prime. Again, draw the dotted line from B to the center, B to the center, dotted line, extend that line, and then measure the distance from B to the center using your protractor, your pair of compass, sorry. Using your pair of compass, measure this distance like that. Make sure you are accurate. And then now 1, 2. If the scale factor was 3, you go to 3. But now it is 2. So here we will have our B prime. And then you do the same with C, with A to the center, and then A, draw dotted line that will go through, and then measure the distance from A to the center, and then now measure that once, twice because the scale factor is 2. So our A prime is going to be here. So our C prime was here, C prime is here, our B prime. Now join these ones, join BC, join BC, join A, B, and then join C, A prime. And there you have our image, scale factor 2. But you realize our image is inverted. It is in the opposite side of the object. So this means that the scale factor is not positive. It should have been negative. So who has made a mistake? It is you, me, the student. So if I was told positive and I have realized this one, this is the center. The object is here, the image is inside. Definitely this one, and it has been inverted. This one, the scale is negative. So that one will show you that you are wrong. This image is wrong. So the right image will be on this side. Tunaelewana? Therefore, don't do that mistake. If it is scale factor 2 now, our image should go this side. Remember, if the scale factor is positive, the image and the object, they should be on the same side. So don't do this mistake. So the correct thing to do is now to measure from the center to B. So I have done that so that you can avoid that mistake. That's what the major mistake that students do. And then C to the origin. C to the origin. And then origin, at the center, not origin, the center to A, like we did on the other side. We do the same. Now measure the radius from the center to C and then make it twice this side. So our C prime, now the correct C prime should be this side. And then from the center to A, measure the distance and make it now twice. So this one should be from the center 1 twice. So C is here, C prime not here, and then A prime should be one, A prime should be 1, 2. That's fine. A prime, and then B prime should be from here once, and then 2. So we have B prime. Then join them. Now join C and A, join B, this is B prime, C prime, A prime. So now you realize that the object and the image, they are on the same side. If they are on the same side, the scale factor is positive, right? So therefore, now this is the correct way of drawing this one. I did this one intentionally to make you, or to enable you to avoid that kind of mistake. Whenever the object is on this side and the image is on the opposite side of the center, that scale factor is negative.